On the website, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will see how to fund your account. Here, you can see a short video on how to make a deposit. Click the link at the bottom of the page and log in with your username and password. Select the IB key, which is a free app you can download to your phone for secure login. Enter your PIN number, and now you can place a deposit.
To make a wire deposit to your account, you will first need to provide a deposit notification through Account Management. Once logged into Account Management, select the Funding tab and choose Fund Transfers. From there, you will select a transaction type of deposit, choose a currency, and choose Wire as your method. Enter an amount. You may choose to use saved bank information, or you can provide new information. If you provide new information, this will be saved for future use. Remember to create an instruction name. You can also choose to set this up as a recurring transaction. If you choose this option, you must define the frequency of deposit as well as the start date and an end date. Please note, in the case of a wire deposit, this only creates a recurring deposit notification. You will still need to initiate the wire transfer at your bank. Once you have entered the bank information, click Continue and you will be provided with Interactive Broker's banking instruction in a printable form which you can in turn provide to your bank in order for it to initiate the wire transfer. Please note the creation of this notification is essential as the details necessary for your bank to wire funds vary by the currency in which the wire is denominated. In addition, this notification also serves to ensure that the funds are properly matched to your account immediately upon arrival. You can view the details and current status of your deposit notification by selecting Transaction History in the Funding section.